Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making mini corn dog bites. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. I'm using the honey. 2 tablespoons of butter melted. 1 egg slightly beaten. 1/3 cup of milk. And we're going to need 4 hot dogs. And we're going to cut each of them into 6 pieces. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to empty our corn muffin mix into a bowl. Then we're going to add our milk, our egg, and also our melted butter. And we're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, I have each of my hot dogs cut into 6 pieces. Next you want to get non-stick cooking spray and also a mini muffin pan. All we're going to do is spray our pan with the spray. Then we're going to begin to fill it with our corn muffin mix. Okay guys, once you have your muffin pan sprayed, all we're going to do is start to fill our cups up with the corn muffin mix. Okay guys, once your muffin tin is filled, all we're going to do is grab our hot dogs and you're just going to gently press it into each muffin. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to put our oven at 400 degrees and we're going to bake them for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, once your 12 minutes is up and you take them out the oven, just let them sit for a couple minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our mini corn dog bites. You can add mustard to the side, ketchup, whatever you like with yours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.